pot in a bowl. Chicken noodle corn soup. Let's make it. To start this recipe, in your pot, add in oil on a medium heat. And then add in your onions and peppers. I have pimento peppers and a piece of Scotch bonnet. You can omit that if you're making this for the kids. Saute for about 2 minutes until translucent, and then go in with minced garlic and saute that for 1 minute. You don't want to burn the garlic in this step. Now add in your pumpkin, split peas that has been washed, and salt. Give this a mix and add enough water to cover this so that it can boil and the pumpkin can get tender and the split peas are tender. If you were to soak your split peas the night before, this step would go by much quicker. I actually forgot to soak my peas. So allow this to come up to a simmer and allow the grains of peas to cook until they're very tender. And this is how it should look. It would look like it's starting to split. And the pumpkin is nice and tender also. So now I'm going to go in with my immersion blender or hand blender and just pulse to make this a little smoother. I don't like to feel or eat pieces of split peas in there. So once it's to your liking, we'll go ahead now and add in the rest of ingredients. I'm topping off with some more water because it's a little too thick here. Add in chopped fresh corn. I'm going in here with potatoes and carrots. You can add sweet potato if you like also. Some sweet peppers and celery and some scallions. Also 1 tin of cream corn, green seasoning. And I'm cheating today by adding in some gnocchi. So if you have gnocchi or you didn't want to make dumplings, this is a great way of adding dumplings to a soup. And it's store-bought and it's so easy, just grab a pack. Now I'm going to add some more water. And here's the star of the show. This Caribbean Dreams country style seasoned chicken noodle soup mix. So hearty and delicious in here. I'm adding in 1 pack. Feel free to add 2 if you like. Now give this a mix. Cook until your veggies are tender and your gnocchi is floating. And now we just have to add 1 final ingredient, which is some coconut milk or coconut milk powder. Mix that in. Now if you don't like using coconut milk in this, of course it's optional. So give that a mix, taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be enjoyed. A delicious, hearty chicken noodle corn soup. And as I said, the star of the show is that chicken noodle soup mix. So be sure to grab it the next time you visit the supermarket to try this amazing recipe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.